Now, I know you guys are bummed out. I know you guys are bummed out about the last FourTrax video because it was a piece of crap and it broke down. So this one we can crank all day, won't start, but it has the whole airbox, fellas. So that means we can actually send it two-wheel drive self through the pond, and it should be okay. So we're gonna do the normal. We're gonna pull the tank off, get that carrier buff, and clean it. I think it's in pretty good shape, huh?
Yeah, I'm bad.
Not bad, not bad. This is a huge wreck. It's a huge carrying wreck.
Yeah.
Ryan's gonna yank the carb on this, get it running while I do a little more tinking and tacking back here, hammering, and carb hoping it would run.
Yeah.
There's barely anything dripped out. So this is what was missing off that other one, dude. Look at that.
Oh yeah. It's got the full shebang.
Oh yeah. Snap, snap,
Yeah,
crash,
yeah.
smash. Crash and smash. So there's the carburetor. That's pretty easy, guys. Oh yeah, look in there. Dirty old son. Oh, Honda's gonna run.
It's all green.
Yep, that's what the green shit is, fellas. This is stable. Not too bad. Sucker will clean up. Oh. Frankenstein. All right, Orion brought his toolbox from home this week. So he drives a Chevy, so he keeps this in the bed.
Yeah, maintenance crate.
Yeah, maintenance crate. Heavy duty one.
Yeah.
So we got the carby all cleaned out. Throwing it back on. Got a fuel filter going on. Fresh gas. This thing should be in business here in a minute. Still got all the fender trim on it, bro. That is rare.
Yeah.
Oh man, she's a beaut. She's a beaut. Look at the damn. Them graphics are cool, dude. The FourTrax camo, which this back one survived. Really clean lid. So we're filling her up with fuel. Got a nice fuel filter on there. You always want to give it time to do its thing, guys. You don't want to just start cranking on this old girl for no reason.
Yeah.
Then it's even got the plunger on the bowl.
It was stuck.
Did you clean it or it's still stuck?
It's stuck, yeah.
So the choke's kind of
There's a
funky.
gasket on it,
Got a key on, choke on. Chop! Noise. You want to pull it over there before it warms up, just rinse it off. I don't even think you got to wash her that hard. Get knock the dust off the old girl. Damn, old son. She's a beaut. No choke. Come on. What a quad. It's just a straight up rig now, dudes. Dang. Huh. Big rig. Son. Damn, Reagan. Hold on, boy. Hopefully we don't ice center you back here. Reagan's spud, dude. This is deep, dudes. Get there, FourTrax. Get there, FourTrax. Yeah. Typical FourTrax stuff. Need the carb cleaned. She's good to go. Get up in there. This is a little bit older video. We appreciate you watching. Share to your friends, and lots more coming this spring.